So we are at the foothills of Jog Falls. So this is supposed to be, as per the Google Maps, this is called Jog Falls Bridge. So this is pretty much the water what we see here, and all the friends are busy clicking pictures and taking selfies and all of that. So this is all the bike lineup. This is mine. There is a Vulcan. Hi, Naveen.
Zuma.
Hi.
Lewis.
Hi. Hi, Nai.
Samir. Hi. So these are all the bikes what we have today. All of them are versus 650 and one versus 1000 what you saw, which was the first bike. I think that bike also light is on in the front.
I want the place. You okay? That you're there. You're there.
Ah,
For some reason, my map.
amazing place, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome place.
No.
For who don't know, this is Sirish.
Hey, hi, this is Shrish. Hi, everyone. Awesome ride, awesome company.
Yes, we are totally loving this place and loving the ride. So we've done about 75% of the ride, just about 25% left to go for Goa. So really looking forward to spend some time there and have a nice time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go see Jog now.
Weather stays good. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Somebody forecasted rain, but luckily I don't see rain here.
So good.
I don't see rain. So yeah. So it's bright, but there are clouds, but I don't think these are the clouds which will give you the rain.
White clouds.
Yeah, pure white clouds.
Guys, portrait.
Okay, welcome to Jog Falls is what it says right there. So yeah, so we pulled over on the bridge, the Jog Falls bridge, and then we clicked a lot of pictures together as a group, and the pictures of the bikes, and now we are heading to the actual Jog Falls, the water body. Let's go and see. I can hear the water though. Let's go and see how much water is there in the Jog Falls today. So another group of versus riders came as we were on the bridge, and yeah, we heard that they were from Tamil Nadu. I was telling you about the group which was to come from Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So the Tamil Nadu group was there. So they also arrived, and I think they were about 10-12 again in number. So I think from here the falls is some 1 kilometer is something what I heard as per the direction board. Welcome to the world famous Jog Fall is what it says. There we are. Welcome to Jog Falls. So we're just going ahead and parking our bikes, and then we will get to the falls and take a look at it. I don't see too much of water either, but let's see. There is a slope here. Okay, so we have parked the bikes and we have now come near to the Jog Falls. So this is what I see here. You can see the stream coming down, and then I can see sort of steam. Literally I can see steam in the water. Not sure how that generates. And in between, I'm not sure, right in the center part I'm able to see rainbow as well, right? Probably it's the light falling onto the water and generating those colors. So yeah, this is how the Jog Falls is today. Okay guys, so now we are departing from Jog Falls and heading over to Honavar and then Goa. All right. There we go. We need to find a spot for lunch, although it is already 2 p.m. afternoon, and not sure what options available for lunch. Loving the cool breeze of the mountains, which no AC can provide you. This is an AC from the nature, absolutely free. It's a pollution free, cool winds. Okay, so now we'll be getting past this ghat section of the Jog Falls and getting back into the Honavar road. We had some good fun at the Jog Falls. Yes, we did again click some good pictures and chit chat, and yeah, biker talks, all sort of things. So apparently I've been observing that this entire region, the cows for some reason want to sit exactly in the center of the road, right? So yeah, this is a place where we took some pictures. So we'll bye. So we'll need to go towards Honavar, that is left. Okay, so yeah, I was talking about the cows. So apparently the cows here want to be sitting on the road, right in center of the road. Not sure why they do. It will be interesting to find out, although, why they do that. Probably Google could have answers. I will look up when I get some time. Honavar 61. So we are done about 430 or 450 odd kilometers so far, and Goa should be another at max 150 to 200 kilometers, not more. So yeah, so once we have lunch, it's going to be Honavar and then Goa.